Okay, we're out here at 1:55 in the afternoon, and we're doing some demonstrations on the invisible silver. This is on the plexiglass that we had inside the house. So of course we have more ambient light out here because we're outside. Nothing's going to beat outside ambient light. And this is just to show you exactly how well the image picks up. And you can see from the back, it does pick up from the back. Like I said, if you're going to be using this for storefront windows, I would suggest you using a ultra short throw instead of using a long throw. I'm using a long throw projector right now. See how far my projector is sitting back from the screen. To show you the image we're picking up. There's my neighbor with her wind chimes. You can see how crisp and how beautiful the picture looks. Keep in mind the projector I'm using is 720p. We are using 4200 lumens. I have done this on 50 lumens, even as 3500 lumens. So it looks pretty good. So we'll pull up another video. Now, before my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Bird from Luminous 4K Screen Paint using ambient light projection, technology gain times 2 and 3. Hope you enjoyed this video demonstration showing off our Luminous ambient light projection invisible silver. As you can see, it's using the ambient light projection technology gain times 3. And I wanted to make sure that the screen was not being covered by the porch. So I set it away from the porch, so it has nothing but the ambient light to hit the screen. Because I don't want it under the porch. If I put it under the porch, it basically protects the screen from any ambient light coming right down on top of the screen. You see under the reds, nothing washes out. Picture quality looks absolutely fantastic. And we got one more video to go and we're done. I signed off a little early just in case if I run out of time. And you see we're not getting any glare from the projector. Like I said, this technology, sorry about that, this technology cuts down on 98 to 99% of the lamp glare. This is a beautiful, bright image. Now keep in mind, all our technology has the ability to be able to produce images in fully lit environments. I'll show you, I'll walk over and show you that the screen is nowhere in any way being protected by the roof at all. So there's the roof, and there's the screen, right out in the open. There's plenty of ambient light in contact with the screen. Bring it up nice and close. You can see there's no glare, no reflection at all. Alright, thank you all for your time, and God bless. The invisible silver is available. Keep in mind you have to pre-order, I'm sorry, you have to do a PayPal invoice. It's not available on our website. Go back to our fish. All right, thank you all for your time, and again,